You're staring at an exam question. A car brakes from 60 miles an hour and skids to a stop over 484 feet. How long did that take? No time given anywhere in the problem. You've memorized 4 equations. None of them seem to fit. Sound familiar? Here's the twist. This isn't a chaotic, disorganized trap. It's a 2-line problem. The reason it feels hard is that you were taught to search for the right equation instead of being taught how these rules were intentionally structured in the first place. By the end of this video, you'll never search blindly again. You'll just see the order underneath. Here is the classic trap. Your teacher tells you to write down your known variables. You read the question. You see V naught equals 60 miles an hour. You see delta x equals 484 feet. And you know the final velocity, v, must be 0 because the car skids to a stop. Then you look at your kinematics formula sheet. You have 4 standard equations. You start hunting. Equation 1 needs acceleration and time. You don't have either. Equation 2 needs time. Equation 3 needs time. Equation 4 needs time. Every single traditional path forces you to work against the system, solving for a missing variable you weren't even asked to find, just to get the answer you actually need. It feels like a dead end because you're fighting the math instead of listening to what the data is telling you. But look closer at your variable list. You have initial velocity, final velocity, and displacement. You want to find time. Now look at what is missing. Acceleration. Nobody gave it to you, and nobody asked you to find it. Here's the secret. The variable that is completely missing from your data list is your shortcut to the answer. The equations aren't random. Each one is balanced to leave out exactly one variable. If acceleration is completely missing from your world, you don't waste time trying to force it. You use the one tool perfectly designed for a world without acceleration. Delta x equals half of initial velocity plus final velocity multiplied by time. Plug in your numbers. 484 equals half of 60 plus 0 times time. That simplifies to 484 equals 30 times time. Divide by 30, and you are done. 16.1 seconds. 2 lines of math, 0 wasted steps. Stop fighting the equations, lean into the design of the problem, and let it solve itself.